boys, I'm blown away, watching the streets like a bird of prey. Bird of prey, don't pay no mind, don't take prisoners, don't do time. She waits on the corner with a cigarette, streetlight mist, leather dress. Light in the window gives its amber glow. Bird of prey waiting by the door. Thought I would ask her what you been doing out here. I'm just a rambling fool, saw you standing there. She looked at me strange, and she took my hand, took hold of my face, and then she finally said, bird of prey, you get what you deserve. I give you credit, boy, you got some nerve. Take off your clothes, sit there in that chair. And that's when I had to get out of there.